You can show or hide columns in the Times Explorer table and customize how your issues display. To customize the Times Explorer table columns, click the gear icon. Custom Columns modal opens. There are two types of columns you can select: 7-pace columns and Jira columns. 7-pace columns are columns specific to Timetracker issues. Jira columns correspond to the baseline fields that are available in Jira projects. You can scroll through the columns and select or deselect the columns, which will automatically add or remove them to the Times Explorer table. Or you can search for columns by typing the name of the column in the Search Columns field and clicking the column checkbox. You can type, search for, and select as many columns as you need. By customizing the columns in the Times Explorer table, you can view and track the specific issue information you need.